I could do a voiceover if I wanted to, but I feel like talking. Perfect. So I lied about not doing a voiceover because here I am, and I had to do my eyebrows because I totally forgot that I didn't do them. But I already set my eyelid and did my eyebrows, and now I'm going to be using my 120 rainbow palette. And the color that I'm showing you, I'm going to be putting that a little bit above my crease. So I really didn't want to do a voiceover, but the color I'm using right there, I'm going to use to darken up the crease because I be doing things out of order, but it's fine or whatever. Let me just say I hate doing voiceovers, and this cut crease video, it's not really like a tutorial. It was just watch me do this, you know. I guess it's a get ready with me, but I'm not going nowhere. But it was just really messy, but I swear in the end it turned out pretty good. It was quality. That color that I'm using right there, I'm using to lighten it up because it's a little bit too dark. And now I'm going to be cutting my crease with a concealing brush and some concealer. Forgot to do an intro when I had put on my makeup, so there's my intro, but there's no, hey guys, it's me, Sierra. Honestly, you guys are ignoring the background noises. I really don't care anymore. I want to talk, so, but like that's really irritating, as you can hear. But also I just can't. I don't know. So like this is my like lazy quick way to do a cut crease, because this video is only been like 7 minutes long, and honestly that's a pretty short amount of time for me anyways. This was so lazy and so effortless that if it turns out good, it's gonna be surprising. Because these just takes me at least 30 minutes to do my makeup all together, but this is taking barely any time, girl. Look, this little palette right here, it has 9 colors in it. There's a silver color right here, and it's almost gone, but I'm just gonna use the rest of it for this look. And I'm just gonna take this side, I'm gonna take my small shadow brush, number 15 from Sephora, and I'm gonna pack it on with that. Actually, I lied. So I'm gonna take this silver color, I'm gonna put it like right there, and then I'm gonna take this color that I haven't used at all because I want to use it. It's like this blue teal color. Ow. Oh gosh, my side just. I'm gonna do the other eye and the eyeliner off camera because this is taking too longer than expected, even though it's not that long, but I just feel like it's being dragged on. So I'm done with my eyes, and I'm gonna be moving on to my face, and I'm going to be priming my face with this Nivea cream, only because I don't have another face primer, and I usually use the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, so, but I ran out of it, so I'm just gonna use this. does this feel so weird? ...2018 is gonna be... 2017 was a year of learning. 2018 is gonna be a year of more learning. Did you really think I was gonna say learning from my mistakes? Don't ever judge a book by its cover. Which was also left in 2017. Oh wait, what am I doing? Oh wait, sorry. I just primed my face with a Nivea cream. Yeah, and I'm using this Milani Conceal I'm Perfect foundation. It's not my color. It was $8 at, where did I get you from? I don't even know. But drugstore, fit me, drugstore, Nares, not drugstore. I really want to go get some Fenty Beauty, but I also really want to go get my nails done. So, you know, options. So I don't I'm gonna use a brush because so I feel like after I use a brush, it looks a little, you know, dewy, oily. So I'll just pat it down with a beauty blender. I don't know why I feel like this works, but I feel like it does. So, and some people like that dewy look, and I don't like to bake because, like, I just don't want to risk the residue under the flash. And you know, I already need to get my blending game on point because on flat. So get you into the neck, your ears, if your ears are a different color from your face. And this foundation isn't even my color, so I don't even know why, like, I'm trying, but I'm just gonna make sure it's blended very well. Oh my gosh, can you hear that? Sounds painful. I'm gonna use this concealer to highlight my face. So chin, right here, the little cupid's bow thing, I think is what it's called. I don't know, I don't be paying attention. The bridge of your nose and somewhere on your forehead, I think. Beauty Grwm. And then underneath your eyes, of course, but like I don't really like care to do that. I'm gonna do it. Why is my mirror face that way? Like, come on now, bruh. Ew, did I just say that? Is it 2014? Do we still say bruh? I think not. Powder. And I'm just gonna, I don't know, put it somewhere. Like, put it in the places where I'm like a little bit glossy. You know, just doing the thing with the things. And then we're just gonna leave it like that. Looks pretty good. You see that? And now I'm gonna go on with the Naked Urban Decay palette, and I'm going where did my brush go? Honestly, whatever. It's probably right in front of me and I'm blind. Okay, so I'm gonna go on to the Naked Urban Decay palette color Virgin because for my I'm gonna use the color Virgin for my inner crease. This is not the brush to be used, I felt like, but and then I'm gonna, ooh, that's a little scandalous. I'm going in with Virgin first for the inner corner, and then just to pop it a little bit, I'm gonna go in with Sin. That pop, and put some Sin right here. Yep. Sinning all day long. Just put a little bit of sin around the brow bone. That looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh, sin is so pretty.
I want a church girl that go to church and read your Bible.
Hello. You see that? Glow. There. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Let me put a little bit of sin. Do people use eyeshadow to highlight? If I wasn't so lazy and I actually looked for stuff. Why do I always do these videos? Okay, brush, you're playing games. Rest in peace, brush. It's fine. So I'm just gonna okay. I would wear lashes, but I'm not allowed to. That's the only thing I'm not allowed to wear because, you know, my mom doesn't want me ruining my eyelashes. She's like, ruin them another time in your life. So I'm just like, okay. I don't really care though. Like, I just don't. Eyelashes never interested me. And to ruin it, I'm gonna go on with this lipstick. What is this? Wet n Wild. It's a Wet n Wild matte lipstick. Goth topic. I have a color. So I have a ColourPop one sitting over there, but lazy. And I'm not gonna go get up when I have one that looks almost completely the same. Oh gosh. I just trying to extend the video. It dries pretty fast. So now I'm gonna be going in with the Kylie liquid lipstick, the color Candy K. This is from her birthday. I think this was from her birthday kit. So this is the color Candy K. I'm just gonna put it like that. Nope. 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 I hope you guys like this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share on my social media. Will be down below. And let me just like show the glam. Show the glam. Show the glam. Show the glam. Show the what? The glam. I really need to stop looking at myself. Like, I'm admiring myself. Show the glam. Show the glam. Peace out, Girl Scouts.